Make sure you guys have already seen that lots of times. Hot Glam made that for me, Mary, and I'll link her. Start right over here because I got this guy a few weeks ago actually, and it was in the girls' room, but I'm subscribed to that. But I shared a sneak peek video of my new brushes, so I work from home. I have for the last Good morning. So the girls are watching a quick movie. Wanted to show you this, which got done yesterday. It's the first thing for their birthday. I'm really excited. So it's actually the back wall for out on the deck. You guys know when we have like the photos that everyone can take. So it's just gonna go in between the two columns, and then balloons are going like all the way around it. I have a photo here I can probably insert. My mom's about to fly in though and come, and I'm really excited. And the house is like really clean right now. And then in here, it's super clean. I did move a few things around in my office because I was filming in here last night. I did like a little nighttime routine video. Closet is all clean. I just wanted to have everything nice and organized and clean for when people are here, which is Sunday and today's Friday. So I'm really excited. I have a videographer coming, Mitchell. I use him every year, but I won't have that video back probably for a week. But I'm gonna post like some of my own stuff, so you guys definitely will see everything. And then I did this yesterday, which also for a little video I could quickly wanted to show you guys. I love this stand. I got it from, I think, Amazon. And I just put a bunch of my skincare on there. This I actually got from like Ipsy, BoxyCharm. Look at those. Rose body oil. I'm really excited, and this is a cleanser. So yeah, I am just gonna have a coffee and have a relaxing morning before things get crazy. Also, just made myself a coffee, a must for every morning. Hey guys, welcome back. Good morning. I wanted to quickly show you guys office tour. And I know I've been doing a lot of tour videos lately on my YouTube channel, but it's only because I've been doing lots of reels and just redecorating, so I kind of just want to show you what I've done. I think one of my favorite things too about my office are the doors. So they both open wide if I wanted to open it, but I really don't because this office should stay closed for majority of the time. The girls like to get in here a lot. We've all had it before with kids, but like they like to grab my documents and paperwork and literally color on them. So I try to hide everything in my cabinets now. Start right over here because I got this guy a few weeks ago actually, and it was in the girls' room, but I found him on the ground. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna put him in my office for now. And super cute, that's from HomeSense. This area over here I absolutely love. So I got that white bowl, which you guys would have seen, that's from HomeSense like last week. And these pumpkins just arrived from SHEIN. How cute are they? Like, look at these. They're gold and pink, and they stand out so much. Such a nice color. I will link them down below. Candle holders, I got those a while ago. Really nice glass ones. Just some Bath & Body Works candles for decoration. We have the fur. So the fur heart rug is from SHEIN. They also have it on Temu. I find both those places have like basically the same stuff. So you can find a lot of the stuff I talk about from either one, but I try to link everything down below for you so it's easy. I also have this candle that I got at HomeSense, trays from HomeSense, Jo Malone fragrance. This is one of my favorites, the London Rose Blush. And then my new brushes. I know I've been sharing sneak peeks with you if you follow me on Instagram. And if you're a part of the channel on Instagram, which is just like Glam Squad, and I share lots of pictures that I don't share on my stories or like on YouTube and stuff in there. So make sure you do subscribe to that. But I shared a sneak peek video of my new brushes. So you guys were the first to know. And then back here, this beautiful vase. This is from SHEIN. And the other one, actually the white one, this white one is actually from Urban Barn, and it's so pretty. I'm obsessed. This I got just yesterday, and it's from the dollar store, you guys. It was $2, so cute. I love it. I love when it has a really nice gold. I'm very specific on the gold I like in my office. I just like everything to match, but I just thought that was perfect. Of course, another candle with the candle holder. So they're both different sizes, but I kind of like that they're different. Make sure you guys have already seen that lots of times. Hot Glam made that for me, Mary, and I'll link her IG down below, but she does really beautiful art illustrations, and I love that I printed that out. My desk, I honestly don't like having it too crowded. I have a hole puncher, I have a stapler, I have a pumpkin that is from HomeSense, and then my favorite fragrance, this one right here, which is the Carolina Herrera. You can get that at Sephora or Shoppers. And then right here we have my agenda. that I have not used, so I kind of want to do that. And then my calendar, which I love this, it's so big. That's from Indigo. And then my pumpkin mug I got at HomeSense years ago, and I've got a little stir stick in there. Move so you guys can kind of see my office here. The two big chairs are from Wayfair. And the vase in the middle here, I think I got HomeSense years ago, and I just found some nice florals for it. The pillows are also from HomeSense. This table here, this is from Wayfair. I didn't know how to decorate it. I just wanted to put like a few little things on it. So this tray, it's separate, and that's also from HomeSense. Pumpkin is from HomeSense. The teacup, which a lot of you guys were asking me about, is from Marshall's. Look how cute this is. Like, I love this. I want to have tea in here and maybe get like really cute teacups. Heart is from Crate & Barrel. I'll probably put candy in it closer to Halloween. And then just that really nice arrangement that I have there. And so the vase is from Urban Barn and the florals, which I really love. So Maxi, look how cute. So I've had these for a while. I know I've showed these years ago, but I got that from a friend. Just a really cute little canvas. And this one I cannot remember, just years ago that I framed it. Area I have right here. So this is my Chanel tissue container. So I got this from my friend Nicole. She has the Glam Luxe shop and I just love it. And then in the bottom there, I have a little trash can. You guys probably can't see it. So this one right here, just a cute little trash bin. And then in here, I like to keep all of my brushes, and I have them in these shoe organizers that I got off Amazon. And then in here, you just have separate containers so I can grab them out easy. And these are just from HomeSense. And then they have all my brushes in here. So if you guys didn't know, I have my own brush company. And then I also have lots of other products, as you guys know, mini backpacks and travel cases, travel accessories. So everything is just in here. Here I just did a white vase with florals that you can just pick up from like Michael's. I got that a long time ago. I put some books right here. Paris Elegance, Elements of Style. These are all books that you can get on Amazon. Jo Malone candle and a little pumpkin that I got from my friend's shop years ago, and it's just so cute. Right here I have this little stand. This is a really beautiful like glass, and the bottom legs are gold. I got this on Wayfair a while ago. I thought it would be perfect for just like displaying things on in my office. So we have my travel cases in the bottom there and a little suitcase that I have. If you guys didn't know, I have really cute travel cases that I have online. You guys can always use my coupon code STEPH20 to get 20% off your order. There's this one, and then the beige. And then up here we have a pumpkin plate, and then some of my favorite tumblers. We have this Slmissglam one that I got a few years ago. This one I just bought, actually. I want to show you guys quickly this one on the weekend. Look how fun this is. It's so bedazzled. Very pretty. So I got that one, and then this is my favorite one right now. I haven't even used it yet. The little ghost one. So you guys saw me pick this up from HomeSense. I hauled so much stuff. And then the pumpkin plate is from the dollar store. Right here I have the pink keyboard. I just bought this on Amazon the other day, so I will link it down below. I love this pumpkin. It's actually a big candle, but I just thought I'd make for really good decor in my office since we have all pink and gold. And then over here, this is basically what it looks like, but I put all of my drawers right here, which I use for like brush samples and just like new products. See here, just like when I sample colors. We have my new brushes that have arrived, so a lot of these I use for photo taking and for photography. Getting ready for the new launch, of course. We have two big launches actually coming the next like month and a half. For part of today's video, I wanted to show you guys all the stuff I'm getting for the planning, because you guys said you wanted to see that. So Candyland birthday for the girl's 5th birthday, and I cannot wait. I'm so excited. We got lots of like party goodies here, and then the kids treat bags I've been working on, so I'll show you guys those. That was just a nice little office tour. Quickly, I just wanted to show you guys what I've done so far, and I think it turned out really nice. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I work from home. I have for the last like 10 years, so I really like having a space that just motivates me and inspires me with what I do. So yeah, and definitely follow me on Instagram because I'm doing so many reels right now. Other thing I wanted to show you guys, I have 2 blankets. This one here, how cute, the little candy corn. And then this one just came in from SHEIN, so I want to show you this. And these are both actually gonna go in the girls' rooms. I was gonna put one in my office, but it just doesn't go. Like the color just does not go with the other pinks I have, but this is really cute too. I will link it down below, but I know the girls will love it. Grab the bags that I've already started to work on. I wanted to show you guys these. So if you are doing a Candyland birthday, I found these on Amazon. They're the perfect size because, you know, you have little toys in there and candy and whatnot, but yeah, I didn't think I needed bigger bags, but these are perfect. I just went and grabbed all the stuff pieces. I actually put the girls' crayons in these. They're great. And then I have like LOL stuff in here. I have a glow stick. And basically the other thing that I have is a bag of candy, but that I won't have until Jess is here, which she does all the food and she sourced like amazing candy. Because these are like the best gummies you'll ever have in your life. So I found this at the dollar store. I thought it was very Candyland themed. And it says make a wish, so I thought I'd put some birthday stuff in here. These cases, love these little caterpillars. I've seen so many people do them in like ASMR videos too, but we have, I'm gonna take these out and just like put one into each bag, but these right here. And then these I thought were perfect. So I'm gonna take these out of the bags and just put some in there, but they're just like little cupcake and donut toys. And then I got some of these like little LOL books. Gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. Lots of fun?
Yeah, you too. I have a present here.
Okay, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I wanted to show a little snippet of the girls' 5th birthday. I didn't get to vlog it. It was just so busy, but I have a professional video that I got done, so that's gonna be coming. I'll probably share that sometime next week. But if you wanna follow me on Instagram and TikTok, I shared their birthday there and it was just so magical and they had so much fun. The kids had so much fun. I was so happy I did just so many different like bouncy castles and assortments for outside. It just kept everybody outside, which was nice. But I'm gonna end the vlog here and I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys have already seen that lots of times. Hot Glam made that for me, Mary, and I'll link over. Start right over here because I got this guy a few weeks ago actually. It was in the girls' room, but I subscribed to that. But I shared